Before you spend your money on this Amazon product, here's the honest breakdown you actually need. Did you know that a dead car battery can leave you stranded in the most inconvenient situations? This ACDelco battery claims to be the solution for reliable power, but is it worth your hard-earned cash? This is the ACDelco Gold 94 RAGM, model number 88864542. It's an absorbed glass matte, AGM, battery designed for vehicles that require a BCI Group 94R battery. AGM batteries are known for being more robust and having a longer lifespan than traditional flooded lead-acid batteries, making them suitable for modern cars with higher electrical demands and start-stop technology. Let's dive into what makes this battery stand out. First, it's AGM technology. Unlike older batteries, AGM batteries are sealed, spill-proof, and offer superior vibration resistance, which is crucial for maintaining a stable charge and extending battery life, especially on rough roads. Second, the 36-month warranty is a significant plus. This provides peace of mind, knowing you're covered for 3 full years against defects, which is a solid commitment from ACDelco. Third, it's high cold cranking amps, CCA. While not explicitly stated in the provided info, batteries in this group size typically offer robust CCA ratings, essential for starting your engine reliably in cold weather. Fourth, its deep discharge capability. AGM batteries handle repeated discharges and recharges better than flooded batteries, making them ideal for vehicles with lots of electronics or those that sit for periods. Finally, it's designed to meet or exceed OEM specifications, meaning it should fit and perform as intended in a wide range of vehicles. So, who is this ACDelco battery perfect for? It's ideal for car owners who prioritize reliability and longevity, especially those with newer vehicles equipped with advanced electronics, start-stop systems, or higher energy demands. If you live in a region with harsh winters where dependable cold weather starting is a must, this battery is a strong contender. It's also a great choice for anyone looking for a hassle-free replacement that's built to last and comes with a solid warranty, minimizing the chances of unexpected battery failure. However, there's a downside to consider. The primary limitation of AGM batteries, including this ACDelco model, is their higher cost compared to traditional flooded batteries. While you get better performance and longevity, the initial investment is an important factor. When you look at comparable batteries, you might find options from brands like Optima or Diehard, which also offer AGM technology. The link in the description is an affiliate link, use it to purchase and support the channel. Thank you for watching. Like, share and comment which Amazon product you want next to be reviewed.